Lost contacts on your Sony Xperia? Don't panic. In this video, we'll show you simple and effective ways to recover deleted contacts quickly. Part 1. How do I find hidden contacts on my Sony Xperia? 1. Unlock your Sony phone and click on the Contacts app. 2. Click on the menu option and choose Settings Contacts to display. 3. Finally, choose All Contacts. Part 2. How to restore contacts on Sony Xperia from Xperia Companion Backup. 1. Launch Xperia Companion and connect your Sony Xperia. 2. Go to Restore and select your backup file. 3. Keep contacts checked, then click Next to restore. Part 3. How to recover contacts on Sony with Doctor for Android. How to recover Sony Xperia contacts without backup. No backup? Use Mobican Doctor for Android to restore deleted contacts and recover messages, photos, videos, and documents from Sony phones. Step 1. Connect your Sony phone to the computer. Launch the Doctor for Android software after it is installed on your computer. Then, you can link your Sony Xperia phone to the computer via USB cable. Enable USB debugging on your phone in advance so that it can be detected by the software. Step 2. Preview and select the contacts you need. Check the box beside Contacts and click Next. Then, the software will begin to scan your Sony phone for deleted contacts. When the scan is finished, you can go through the scanned contact list and select those you want to retrieve. Step 3. Begin to recover lost contacts from Sony Xperia. After you have selected all the contacts you need, you can click the Recover button to start recovering deleted contacts on Sony Xperia easily, and save them as HTML or XML files, so that you can easily open and view them on your computer. Part 4. How to restore contacts on Sony Xperia via Gmail. 1. Open Gmail or Google Contacts and sign in. 2. Go to Contacts, Restore Contacts. 3. Select a restore point and click Restore. 4. Check your Contacts app after the process finishes.